So, it did snow. Shit. Yeah, trying to eat shit. This is icy snow. God. I don't think I'll fly on my arm. To crack the tyre. Wait. Smart it won't. School won't use the snow more. Oh god. I think tomorrow's gonna be icy as fuck. Yeah. It's cool to see snowboards. Everyone's going to Epsom Park. The sledge. Anyway, ciao. I'm not gonna lie. The old shoes. Definitely not built out for this. But yeah, train. Of course. Feet quite wet. It's fine. We'll survive. How much you do like snow? From the sound effects, quite fun. So, I have a game of Triple D featuring just the ice. Wait. Now, how many times am I gonna slide nearly each? I guess about 5. I'm not going down the tunnel part today. Say that for a fact. I'll end up sliding down that shit. I half want to do it for the laugh, so. Nah. Storm. Let's not do it. Maybe on the way back. Oh, yo. Anyway, day before the exam, I smash out some revision because not did enough from what I want to do. But it's fine. These days it's fine. It's really not fun or ideal. So I'm confident in my ability to know how to revise and how to do stuff. But you know, still need to get used to this. Whoa. Don't mind me, I'm just doing dumb shit like usual. slide on that one. Anyway, keep having fun in the snow, yeah? Ice. So I'll be back after I go and get my ID card because I lost it on night off. It's crazy, isn't it? Someone just has my ID card, they're just kind of alarming. I mean, I've cancelled it now. Still though, I'm on someone's memory wall. My face. It's like a mugshot as well. It's not good. It's fine. It's quite funny to think about. You know, when I'm on someone's face. Someone's face. No, I'm on someone's wall. My face. Anyway, stop rambling. Let me concentrate. I'm walking and without stepping on my ass. So, is indeed day of the test. I know you said day of the fight. What the fuck? Nah, I'm listening to my music. I'm chilling out. It feels like I'm going to a fight. So I need to really well on this exam. So I have like an hour and a half till I do the exam. So I'm actually going to revise in the library next door to where I'm doing it, because I'm doing it online, so I need to get my typing skills up. Yeah, it feels like I'm feeling ready, nervous but ready. All depending on what exam questions come up. Yeah, just chilling out. But anyway, enjoy the frozen ice and snow. So yeah, look at it. I'll see you close to the exam time. Shit. Still revising for the exam tomorrow. Yeah. I'm just writing the questions of what the subject's going to be, so I know the plan, so I can then spout spout stuff tomorrow. Yeah. A lot of reading. It's fine, I had food. So, walking. It's just 17 minutes before my exam, so it's not walk to the place where I'm going to be on the computer. So I'm not late and I can make sure I know where I am. I just keep trying to remember the important shit. Assisted RTF, no, artificial assistant reproduction. And then you have embryonic reproduction, insemination reproduction, and in vitro. Yeah, that's what my brain's doing at the moment. Latin names of dumb fucking animals, that's all that's happening. So Latin name of Blackfoot ferret. Confidence, excited, worried. 2 hours. I mean, 2 hours are quite crucial to my degree in terms of me getting a really good grade or really shit, or not the best grade. I'm trying to be fucking honest. Anyway, I'll be back, I guess, after the exam. I keep listening to my videos, get myself in the zone, and I guess try to lock in. I'll let you know how it went after. So, my bed. Boom, we're back. Shit, we finished the exam. It's now 25 minutes past 4, so I finished the exam with 5 minutes to spare. Well, I finished it for like 20 minutes ago, but I was just rereading all that good stuff. Yeah, I think I did alright. I tried anyway. I tried the hardest. Didn't try to rush through it. Did everything I could think of at the time. So I'm hoping that I did really well. But you know, who will know? Turns marked. But I did try my hardest. Used all my brain power. I don't think my flowing structure is gonna be like the best ever, but I have the content down at least. But yeah, there we are. Now just waiting, and hopefully they mark first so I can apply for masters. Cold, you can see the steam coming from the city. Nice too. We're back. And of course I have work. But I don't have much work left now. It's coming to the tail end. Like hailstones. Like iced over anyway. So where I was staying, it's very icy. But anyway, I've left my lanyard in my flat and I wouldn't stay in my flat, so that's why I don't have it. But actually on decent timing, so I don't have to rush. Like perfectly timed to be perfectly on time. But yeah, I'm gonna be going gym in between. Just bringing the way back to my flat probably. I didn't pack my bag. I'll still find a way to train. Hope I have something I can wear in the flat. Clear skies, basically. It's not too cold as it was last night. -3, jeez. Anyway, in a bit.